Bafowethu sanibonani good morning ugatsheni lo ngithi before nje ngiqala usuku lwami ake sixoxeni nje kancane la ngithola abantu abanye bangena u-inbox bathi gatsheni kathi mfowethu uthi as-invest we have to reinvest asinayo imali kodwa iqiniso lithi everyone on income unayo imali to reinvest empilweni yakhe right mfisa ke sibheke izinto ezimbalwa very quick kunengqondo abantu abanayo ethi for you to invest you must have bigger amount or ube ne-million to start investing all right umnotho wafowethu wakhiwa kanje from lapho khona uhola 5,000 emsebenzini wakho lomncane owenzayo uyakwazi ukuthi kulo 5,000 ungaphila ngo4,000 likhona i1000 elingabele libeke eceleni njalo nyanga zonke right for example I will give you a typical example because khumbula ukuthi umnotho the time uwakha mawuhola u5,000 square the time usakha suno 500 owenza eceleni njalo nyanga zonke kusho ukuthi isimo sakho somnotho automatically sesishintshile because usuno extra 500 oqhamukayo uzo add kulo 5,000 wakho otholayo of which it's a step empilweni you understand right for example ake sithi umuntu wasemakhaya uhola u5,000 wakho abanye bayazi emakhaya kuyaba nama funeral kuyaba nemicimbi ehlukahlukene yesintu nezenkolo njalo njalo you can buy your pots khona amabhodwe la amakhulu big pots awukupheka nani you rent them out it's a relaxed business alijahanga le business if there is somebody onomcimbi they call you they hire your pots they give you whatever they're giving you they use the pots when they done ngomcimbi wabo you take your pots back you make that 300 that 500 it doesn't need you to vuka ekseni every day and go work it's something that can even back up you noma ngathiwa kusasa uvuka ungasebenzi you can't find yourself in a desperate situation you understand on that weekend bazo hire ama-pots wakho you get that 300 you get that 500 you can make a difference la ekhaya for example indoda nje ehlele emakhaya uyalibona nawe igap I'm just giving you few typical examples nama advice njambalo uhlele ekhaya ake sithi awunamonto but uyabona ukuthi no man la ekhaya kuningi okwenzakalayo bakhona abantu abanezimoto but there's something always moving around you go maybe to Facebook market you go anywhere you check maybe unemali nyana maybe usevile unemali ngango 10,000 15,000 you buy a trailer vele success always looks stupid ebantwini mayiqala remember that it always I make sense you buy your trailer abanye bazi bakuhleke bethi uthenga itrailer unganamoto but when inhloso yakho uyazi ukuthi itrailer lakho leli you hire you rent it out kunomuntu ofuna ukuyolayisha ingodo kunomuntu ofuna ukuyolayisha inkomo yakhe or whatever unemonto unevan mara kanali trailer you rent that trailer out akunike that 500 akunike that 400 rand uhlele ekhaya ingene le 400 rand it makes a big difference to your finances that's why ubona emhlabeni nabantu ababalwa njengabantu abacebile kakhulu emhlabeni akubhekwa ama-bank account ukuthi kunama balance athini kubhekwa the assets that can make money for that person so nawe reinvesting it requires you to buy something that can make money for you irregardless ukuthi how much money can make for you any cent that comes to you is your investment through something or investe kuyo It's an investment. So abantu abangadideki, don't be confused. Any small amount ongakwazi invest that money in something. Invest in something. Because if you don't invest and wait for ukuthi wena ufuna ukuthi ube ne-million and then you invest, that day will never come, unfortunately. All the businesses you see now, bigger businesses, amanye wabona eze abhalwa ukuthi since 1818 amanye ethi 1805, which means it's been decades and decades leya business le run. Lento libona liyiyo manje lalingeyona ngo-1805. It wasn't making sense ebantwini abaningi. They were like, this person, no. Because that person has a vision. And we understand into ayenzana yakhayo. Today the business is successful. The company are recognized as big companies and all those things. You understand? So ungadideki. Vele all the time mawuqala abantu bayahleka, abanye they look down at you, abanye there's a lot happening. You understand? Abanye baku-undermine. When stick to your vision and believe in what you are doing. Okay, if you can buy your posts, you start renting them out, maybe ngama weekend, you get this customer, sometimes you don't get. Awujahanga, it's a business. Business it rewards you later. Akusinto ejahiwe ukuthi ngifuna manje ukudlala manje ngiphumelele manje. That's what kills a lot of people. It's not gambling ukuthi uzothiwa uyangena lapha endaweni lezi okubethwa khona, bethe bathi kulezi zinto lezi kuthiwa ngama-quick betha manje kuma-results aphume manje uwine manje. No. A business is not like that. Investment, it takes time to compound, but it's got a bigger reward later. So you start small, you rent them your 2 posts, you see that demand is getting bigger. Kule weekend bawahayile ngale uthola another call, there's another place. You see a gap now. Oh, okay, I need more pots. Ngesinye isikhathi ugcine suthole negap bathi I know sifuna labantu abazopheka. Uyabona manje kusho ukuthi now catering business is starting small. Oh, okay, you take your pots, you find 2 people, you guys go and cook there, you cook for them. Maniqedile niyabaphakela and all those things. Maniqeda niqoqa amabhodo niyahamba. It's catering. Catering business has started. But you start small, abanye bengaboni ukuthi and then you grow from that. You hire your trailer out, you call for nomunye lingekho leli trailer. Uyabona ukuthi no man, people they need these things. You ate another trailer, sune 2. Awujahanga, you are not in a hurry. Ngoba ngawathathanga on that day. Your trailer doesn't need to eat ukuthi normal pake laphana fanele ngilithengele ukudla. No. You just park it there. The day bazolithatha will make money. You understand? So there's a lot of things you can do lapho khona uhlele ekhaya and make money. But it's only that when you look down at your ideas, can't your ideas are bigger. The idea you have is big. You just need to believe and dedicate yourself and do it. So don't be confused and think that's why most people they don't succeed, because they want to start fancy. If you can look at for example, I'll give you a typical example. From abantu who are coming from Mozambique, people are coming from Zimbabwe. They came to South Africa. A South African lady had an idea of starting a food kitchen, but she wanted a kitchen. She wanted izinto zokupheka, ama-stove, nan. And then people from Zimbabwe, people from Mozambique, they came bami emakhoneni babasa umlilo. Bafaka amabhodi, bafaka inkuni, bathenga lama 3-leg pots. amabhodlela amakhulu bafaka inkuni. They started. If you go around, look at them, they are driving big cars, they're driving ama Hilux, they're driving through that corner. So you don't have to start fancy. Start where you are. La ukhona nje, you are in the right spot. Because the time uqala uthi wena ufuna uqala uthenga food kitchen, you don't have that money. The food kitchen, the cheapest one I think is around 30,000. And you still need a proper corner to put it. The municipality will tell you this, that, kuningi. But that Mozambican woman, that Zimbabwean woman, ufika mekhoneni abasa umlilo, afaka amabhodwe akhe, abeke itafula lapha. She has started where she is. She doesn't have 30,000 to buy a container, but she has 4,000 to buy posts and stock and start. So why wait for big money? Because it might take you 4 years to 5 years to raise that 30,000. But if you start, if you want to grow to that level, it's going to be easy because now there's income coming to your business, and then you can upgrade. So, any money you have, you can invest it. Any amount. It doesn't mean you must have 1 million. You can invest 1,000 rand. You can invest 500 rand. You can invest 2,000. Dream big, but don't dream impossible. It's like now, udinga iveni, uyazi ukuthi nomsebenzi wami udinga iveni. You have money to buy, for example, a 1,400 bakkie. That can do the job. But because when you're dreaming impossible, you're like, no, I cannot buy 1,400. I have to buy a Hilux. Hilux is 700,000, if not 800,000. A second-hand one, you can find it around 300, 400,000. Do you have that money? You don't have it. Start where you are. Buy 1,400. And push with that 1,400. That 1,400 will buy you a Hilux. All businesses that you see around, they started small. But today they are respected. So, stick to your vision. Dedicate yourself. Have discipline. And stick to your idea. Put work behind. Put work behind your dreams. You'll see it will work. Trust me. Maungaqala la ukhona. Next year, this time, you'll be telling me a different story. Siyabonga kakhulu mphile emakhaya. So invest what you have. Don't wait for you to have 1 million. That's why the word of a wise man says, if you start with 1 million, you will lose your 1 million. But if you start with 10 rand, you will make 1 million. Thank you.